So hi, hello, welcome back to Projectile. If you're seeing this video for the first time, means so this is me, Madhushri. I will take coding projects from Vita Junior, cooking videos, testing out 5 minute crafts, mind relaxation, meditation videos, science experiments, chemistry, and etc. 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 So today I took a coding projects from Vita Junior. So today's project name is Tower Siege-1. Tower Siege-1, and today's class number is 29, and today's class name is Catapult and the Rubber Band. So let's move to the video now. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And if you want to get the next video's notification, then click on the bell icon to get the next video's notification. So let's move to the video. So okay, now I want to click on this link to see. It is loading. Okay, so this is our Github page. So you'll ask, what is this? Why should we do like this? Or what is this page? Why should we? How to download like that? You'll ask, right? So that's all I can say in one video. So that is nothing but I'll just give in the description itself. That in description I'll be giving the video link. Click that video and video link, and you can also watch how to know about the Github like that. Okay, so this is the class 59 project. So I'm going to download. In this video I'll just show you how to download it. Okay, so click on code, then click on download zip. Okay, it is downloading. Okay, so this page will be coming like this. 1 minute. Okay, this page will be coming like this. You have to click on extract to, then in which file you have to do, you can also do. And before clicking on which file, this is the WinRAR. You can see this logo. So this is called WinRAR. Okay, so I want to extend to in any file. Okay, so I'm extracting to Vita Junior project and clicking on OK. Then we can also close this. So do you want to see the output now? Then for that also I'm having a best option. Now we have to see the output means you have to open the web server 200. Okay, when you're opening that, there will be coming, you have to choose the folder, then the link will be coming. You have to click, and you can also see the output. Shall we do now? And if you're the new person for this video and you don't know how to type the web server 200, okay, and you don't know how to see the output list, in this video I even teach you how to open the web server 200. Okay, so go to the new tab, type web server. Okay, so I'm just typing like web server 200. Okay, then click on first like this itself. Okay, full, you have to type fully, then in first itself will be coming like web server for Chrome. Okay, click on this one. Okay, I'm clicking on this. So the page is loading. So this is the web server for Chrome. So the Chrome web store page will be opened. And this, you don't know about the web server for Chrome? This thing means here they will be giving how to use this all and what is this like this. Okay, so and even they are given the video for you people. Okay, so here it will be coming as install. Okay, I just installed and I kept. So form it there, and even though I pinned in the taskbar. Okay, so let's open the web server. Okay, I'm opening. So now we have to click on the choose folder to choose the folder. Okay, so now I'm gonna click on Vita Junior project. So it will be coming. So now we are in which project? Class 29 project. So where it is here. So you have to just click on one click and click on select folder. Then that's what I said, right? URL link. So you have to click on this. If suppose it's not coming for you, means you can also like just copy and you can also put in the new tab. But for me it will work. So I'll just click on that. Okay. So the how output will be coming. See, so this is our best output. Actually our teacher said to make in the hexagon, but I just made in a circle. Okay, so when we are pulling this will make like this. See, okay, actually, so this what we are just gonna do, this is same thing as slingshot class. In the previous video, if you saw means I just give a card, okay. That time you can also see. So that in that I just made a plucking mangoes like that only. See, here was a one boy and here was a one stone. When we are dragging that stone, the mango tree will be. And the boy was very hungry. He took a stone and he thrown on the mangoes. Then it falls. So like that only we are also making. I'll just reload and I will show you. Okay. So okay. So this is the circle. Okay, and this what I did. So you have to give like this. Okay, so this is our output. So now we will code. Okay. And shall we code in Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code is the best option to code like this. Okay, but not in the P5 editor or code art. Actually, P5 editor and the Visual Studio Code are same thing only. Okay, so let's open the Visual Studio Code. Before opening, do you know about the Visual Studio Code? If you don't know means, even though I will give that video link in the description, click on that video link and you can also watch. And you want to install that Visual Studio Code means, even for that also I'll be giving in the description. Okay, so I already pinned everything in the taskbar itself, so I'm gonna click on that. Okay, so now I already kept, so you have to click on file. Okay, after clicking on file, it will be coming as open folder. Click on that, and in that you have to choose the folder which you need. Okay, so I'll just click on the class will design project master, then it will be coming. Then you can also code very easily, but I'm not going to code. I'll just teach you how to code. And okay, so it is loading and coming. So first we will move to this sketch.js. Okay, so it will be coming like this. In how to code for Visual Studio Code like that, I gave a video link, right? You can also click that link. In this itself I'll be giving everything. Okay, what is meaning of these all, and these all we're just creating the class. In that, for that we are just giving a names. For this we're just creating and calling. Okay, and these all the ball we're creating, spring we're creating, ground we are creating, and ground over ing we are creating. Okay, so this all, in this we no need to see anything, because in the results to record itself I just said. Okay, and even about the mouse tag and mouse release type. So we'll move to the directly to ball.js. So ball.js is nothing but this is that ball.js. Okay, so we are creating a class called ball. Then for inside the class we're just letting us class ball, and constructor is the main thing. Inside the constructor we are writing a condition as x, y, and radius. And one more thing, the ball is in the radius, right? So for that we'll just say as for circle there are three. Okay, so one is circle, one is radius, and one is ellipse. Okay, so I just gave it as x, y, radius. Why radius is last? Because circle is in radius. So for this one I gave. Then variable options is equal to restitution is to 0.8, and friction is 1 to 1.0, and density is 1.0. Okay, so variable options I can just write like this, and this dot body is equal to bodies dot circle x, y, radius options. So this dot body is adding the bodies of like a circle, then x, y. So x and y position, then width and height. For width and height we are just giving as radius. So for width I just give a radius, and for height I just give a options. Why should we add options? Because in this options, variable options, we'll just we wrote like this 3, right? We no need to write like this substitute like this. For example, no need to write for example, wait, we're just writing as restitution is to 0.8. No need to write like this all. We can just type as options itself, like see, options. If you wrote options means this will take, which will take, this will be taking here, and this dot radius is equal to radius. Okay, then the world is adding this dot body, world is adding this dot body, then it should display, right? So it is displaying next a display. Okay, then variable post is equals to this dot body dot position. So fill the ball's color I've been given as in RGB method. I just gave it as number. Okay, see 176, 219 and 83. I just gave like that. Even you can also write in a name like by just typing as a word. Okay, then ellipse mode. Ellipse mode means what? Ellipse is in a round, so I just gave it as ellipse mode. So it is in center. Then ellipse position will be post dot x and post dot y, and this dot radius. So x and y position and radius. Okay, so next we'll move to the blue box. Actually blue box all that's why should we create. First we'll move to the box. Okay, then we'll move to the every colors of box. Okay, so in the class box, so these are the boxes. This one box are called as boxes. Okay, so in this class box we are creating a class called box, and into that class we're just writing a constructor. Then x y method I just give directly into that constructor. I wrote a statement as variable options, that restitution, friction and density. Then this all are same only, guys. So the box is rectangle but the ball isn't round, so that's what we just changed it here. Okay, so this dot body is equals to bodies of rectangle. Bodies of rectangle, x, y and width, height are options. Okay, then this dot width is equals to width, this dot height is equals to height. We just giving like this. Then what is adding this dot body, then it should display. Then the variable position is pos is the this dot body dot position. Then the rectangle is in the rect mode, so I gave it as rect mode as center. Then rect is equals to rect means rect is post dot y, and this dot z and this dot y. So rect is having a xy position and width and as well white, and we just give it as white color, filling as white color. Okay, so now we finished it here. Now we'll go to the blue color box. This is that blue color box. Okay, so for that we just gave it as class blue box extends box. You'll ask why? What is this class blue box extends box? So this is nothing but first we have been created. That's why I said first we'll read this and we'll just go to the next one. So box. So what a box? Why should we give like this box? You'll ask. So box is extending to this blue box, green box, red box, yellow box. So everything it is attaching. So for that we're just writing as extend box. So class blue box is extending the box. So no need to write we no need to write like this everything in blue box also. Okay, we just write we'll just write as extend. It will just extend from the box. Extend from the box means what all we wrote here, it will take from this itself. Just we have to write a class name as bluebox.js, and inside the class we have to write as class bluebox extends the box. Okay, then constructor, inside that constructor we have to condition we have to write a condition as x and y. Then inside the constructor the statement will be super xy 2030. You ask what is a super xy 2030? So that is nothing but this is a very small method. So that is something but super means that small, like we are like size of that, you can also say like that, right? Super means how to say for you. Okay, 1 minute, I'll just say think and I'll say you in easy method. Okay, yeah, okay. So super means like how we give a constructor. For constructor, yeah, for example, I just say in easy method. Constructor is a mother and super is a child. So like that only I can also say for you in easy method. Okay, so for the super we are just giving as xy position and width height. Okay, then we have to display and fill color. I just gave us like this for blue color. Then super is displaying. Okay, so next we'll move to the green box. So that's what everything is same, only we have to just change this one, this color only. Okay, green box, and this one you have to change. For that, like that only I change it for red color box. Okay, so that's what. Okay, and yellow color box. See, you can also see there are yellow, blue, green, red and yellow. So okay, I okay collapsed. Okay, then we are gonna move to the okay. So class platform constructor. So you'll ask what is a platform? Platform is nothing but, see, it is there, right? So these box are there, right? See, it is standing, so this is called platform. One platform and two platforms. Okay, so like this only, and this all you can also just copy. Okay, see, I'm just explaining inside it. Okay, so class platform, you're creating a class as a platform, then inside that we're just writing a constructor as xy with it. Inside that constructor we're writing a statement as variable options, as is static as true. So this dot body is equals to bodies dot rectangle. So platform is in the rectangle, right? So for that we're just writing then this dot width is equals to width, then this dot height is equals to height. Okay, so this one, and world is adding this dot body, then it is displaying, and variable pose is equals to this dot body dot position, and we're giving the color as a fill for that as a RGB color. Even you can also write in your own method as a word. Okay, in the words also you can also write. Okay, then so the platform is in the rectangle, right? So for that I just give the segment as center, then direct post dot x and post dot y and this dot width and this dot that. So that's it now. Okay, okay, so next we'll move to the projectile. So you'll ask what is this, so why should we do like this? So what is this means, I'll just fill it and show you. See, so can you see this one line is there, right? So that line is called the projectile. You can also give any name. I just gave it as projectile. Okay, so for that we're only coding. Okay, so see, class projectile as we created. I'll just say a story, and even though I will just teach you. Okay, so we're just creating a class as projectile, and you can also give any name for that. Okay, so then I gave it as constructor. Inside that constructor I wrote a condition as body in point B, and inside that constructor I wrote a statement as variable options is equals to body A is to body A, point B is equals to point B, and stiffness is to 0.04 and length is to 10. So you ask what is stiffness, why we are using stiffness, and what is length, you'll ask. So stiffness is nothing but the length, how much we are dragging, it's coming, right? So for that only we are just giving the stiffness, and the length is the length of the projectile length is 10. I just gave this length. Okay, then this dot point is B is equals to point B, then this dot body is equals to constant dot create option. So you ask constant create options, I will ask right now. So that is nothing but that is a line, right? So for that line we are just creating a constraint as a we're just creating a constraint. Okay, we are creating a constraint, and inside the options what all we wrote, body A, point B, stiffness, and so we're putting a brackets inside that, and we're just writing as options. Then the world is adding it is dot body, then it is releasing as a, it is releasing, like, okay, it is releasing, then this dot body A is equals to null. So you'll ask what is this, why should we add like this, you'll ask. So this dot body is adding a body A, so for that we're just giving us null. Okay, so next is display. Okay, the it should display, right? So for that it's displaying. Then if this dot body A, then variable point A is equals to this dot body dot body A dot position, then a variable point is equals to this dot point B. Then stroke weight I just gave it as one color, then stroke I gave it as gray color. Okay, so line, so that's what I think. This line is the main thing as 24. Okay, so line point A dot x, point A dot y, point B dot x, and point B dot y. You'll ask what is this line, you'll ask. See, just read it and show you. Okay, see, here one has been attached and here also one has been attached, right? So for that only we just wrote this as like this. Okay guys, so we have been came to the end of thing. I just showed you everything in easy method. Is there any I think no, everything has been finished there. Okay, so we have been came to the last part, end of the video. So hope you like this video and you have been learned from me. And if you like this video, it means you can also like and please share, and don't forget to subscribe. If you need the next video's notification, please click on the bell icon to get the next video's notification. So thank you for seeing my video, and if you're having any doubts, means surely comment me and I'll reply you. And give me any challenges like dare, truth or dare, like that, any challenges, surely I'll make a video and I'll public it. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So thank you, bye bye. I'll see you next video.